welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing my own nails. These are going to be my birthday nails, so they're going to be pink, obviously. I'm going to have a go at this lazy girl method with the full cover tips that everybody's been having a go at. I'm going to be using Polygel. These tips that I'm going to be using are Gel-X dupes that I got from AliExpress. I've used them before on an autumn set that I did. Right, what I've done is I've cleaned my nails with a bit of alcohol. I've dehydrated them. Now I'm just putting a bit of primer on. My nails have already been prepped. I've pushed my cuticles back, got rid of all the dead skin, and I have buffed the shiny surface off my natural nails. So yeah, I've just cleaned them, dehydrated them, and now I've put primer on. So this is the tips I'm using. I got these off AliExpress, not a lot of money at all, but I absolutely love the shape of them. I had a little practice on my pinky last night because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. That's why my pinky's already done. Right, I'm using this glitter, Ooh La La, from Sparkle Supplies. This was sent to me by the lovely Sammy Jo Nails. Beautiful. I'm using my Yogi Pink Polygel and my Princess Nails by Diana's base coat. So I'm just going to give all my nails a thin, even coat of base coat. You don't have to base coat your nails. A lot of people just put the Polygel straight on. But my nails are really damaged and thin at the minute, so I just wanted an extra layer of protection. I've also buffed up the inside of these tips. You do need to buff up the inside because, yeah, Polygel just won't stick to a shiny surface. So what I'm doing now is the inside of the tip, I'm giving it a coat of base coat because I want to encapsulate some glitter in these tips. So I'm going to be using the base coat to put my glitter into. So I'm just going to use a little detailer brush just to get that glitter exactly where I want it. There's no right or wrong way with glitter. I just want a little bit of a glitter fade coming up from the bottom. So I'm going to do it quite busy at the tip of the nail and just fade it out as it goes up the nail. Just play around with it till you get the glitter exactly where you want it. And then what I'm going to do with that glitter is cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds so that the glitter stays exactly where I want it. Just a little fade. Oh, I love that glitter, it's so pretty. So yeah, I'm going to stick that in the lamp now for 30 seconds. Right, now I want to do a bit of a fade. I don't want to completely cover the nail with the Polygel. I just want it to fade down into the glitter. So I'm going to get it as thin as I can around the cuticle area. I'm going to leave these first couple of nails in real time just to show you exactly how I do it, and I'm going to do them slightly different, a couple of the nails. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to get it as thin as I can at the cuticle area. Make sure you get it right up them side walls, because you want it to come off your nail really straight. If you don't get it up them side walls, you'll have bits missing at the side. So once I'm happy with that cuticle area and I've got it right up them side walls, I'm just going to fade it down. Just feather it off so it blends into that glitter. I don't really want you to be able to see where the Polygel starts, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm just going to fade it down. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to press it onto my nail. I always start pressing mine on at the cuticle area, and you'll see the Polygel kind of change colour as you press them air bubbles out. Can you see it slightly change colour? And you'll also get, you get kind of a suction feeling, like you'll feel when it's properly on your nail. It's hard to explain, just feels like a bit of a suction. So I'm just holding it there with my other finger just so I can smooth it out underneath. I did put a little bit too much Polygel in this pinky, so I had to press it down quite hard and some leaked out. But again, just get your brush with some alcohol and wipe it away. This method is so easy, and it's good fun as well. I really enjoy doing this set. Make sure you get it straight, and then I'm just going to stick that in the lamp now for 30 seconds, and that's that nail done. Quick time. It's so easy. So easy. Look at that. It's so pretty. Very long. Right, this next nail is going to be my ring finger. This one is just going to be plain pink Polygel. So instead of fading it off like I did with the glitter, I'm just going to completely cover this nail. Again, get it really thin at the cuticle area, right up them side walls, and then just pull the polygel down to the end of the nail. And again, same as the pinky, I'm just going to press it onto my nail. Get it quite close to your cuticle area, try not to touch your cuticle. And just keep squeezing it and you'll see the air bubbles come out of it. My nails kind of slope down at the tip, so it's hard for me to get the air bubbles out at that cuticle area sometimes. But again, just smooth it out underneath. And just keep checking there's no air bubbles. I had a little bit there and I had to press it down really hard. But once you do press it down, it does create a kind of suction and it stays there. But if not, you can just hold it on with your finger whilst you're curing it. But I have found, with polygel specifically, it does kind of create a suction and just stays there. So again, I'm just going to stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And again, that's another nail done, quick time. Right, I've pulled out these gorgeous Chanel sequins. Again, these were sent to me by the lovely Sammy Jo. So I've put a base coat in that tip, just like I did with the glitter nail. And I'm just going to press these little sequins. What I had to do with these sequins, I had to curl them between my fingers to get them to lay flat. Because it's the inside of the tip, it's really curved. So if you've got sequins that don't lay flat, just curl them between your fingers. Right, so I'm going to stick that in the lamp now to cure for 30 seconds. And again, I'm going to completely cover it with the polygel like I did with the other nail. Them sequins are gorgeous. I'd never seen them in that colour till Sammy sent them to me. I'd never seen them. I've seen them in gold, seen them in silver, but I'd never seen them in pink. Gorgeous. So again, that's that nail done already. Quick time. They are so quick and easy. Definitely beginner friendly, without a doubt beginner friendly. Right guys, that's that one done as well. What I'm going to do now, the pointer finger and the thumb is going to be the same as the pinky. I'm just going to do a plain glitter fade. So I'll do them off camera and I'll show you what they look like. There we go, that's them all on. Must have took me about an hour, if that, this set. And I stopped for a cup of tea halfway through. Right, what I need to do now is I need to just go in with the e-file and just get these little bits that have leaked out and try and flatten it down a bit at the cuticle area. I'm going to file it off camera because I'm not confident at all with an e-file, especially under a camera. I am getting better, but yeah. Right, that's them all filed and buffed. No shaping or anything to do because the tip does that for you. I've literally just filed around my cuticle area to get it nice and flat and flush, and around my side walls where little bits had leaked out. What we need to do now is the glitter underneath these tips. I'm going to give them a coat of top coat, just like you would do if the glitter was on the top of the nail. You would encapsulate it in a top coat or a builder gel, but because the glitter's underneath the tip, we're going to top coat it underneath. So I'm just giving them a quick top coat and I will cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm just giving them a quick top coat now. What I did on my right hand, I put some mermaid powder on my pinky. But once I put it on, I decided I didn't like it. So you'll notice in a minute, I've got mermaid powder on my pinky. It's got a bit of a colour shift to it. But I haven't got it on the rest of my nails. I wasn't too keen on it. So I need to take that off. But I'm really, really happy with these. They're a bit busy for what I normally go for. But they're birthday nails, aren't they? They have to be a bit out there and a bit OTT. Otherwise, it'd just be another boring set. But I do like them. I think I will end up chopping them down because they are really long. But I'll see how I get on with them this length. That glitter is gorgeous. It's kind of a matte glitter. The pink has got a slight shimmer to it, the hot pink. but the white and the baby pink's just completely matte. I really, really liked it. I like that it's not got really big hexes in it as well. I don't like glitter mixes with the really big hexes. I never know what to do with them. Right guys, I'm going to stick them in the lamp now to cure for 30 seconds, and then, oh, before I put them into cure actually, I'm going to put a little gem on the ring finger. I forgot about my little gem. I thought that ring finger was a bit plain, so I've put these little pink gems on. I think these little pink gems were from Charlie's nail art. I'm not 100% on that, but I'm pretty sure these were from Charlie's nail art last year. But that's that done. I'm going to get them cured now. And that's my birthday nails finished. Quick time as well. Super quick, super easy, and super pretty. Putting a bit of cuticle oil on there because using alcohol and dehydrator and filing and buffing completely dries your cuticles out and they will be thirsty. So I've just given some cuticle oil, rubbed that in, and we're all done. I really, really like these nails. I really, really like them. Really happy with them. How long they are going to last this length, I don't know, but I'm going to try my best to leave them as long as I can. Anyway guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Remember to hit that little bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.